Mastering Title Case, the Art of Capitalization.
Hello there. Today, we're delving into the world of punctuation and capitalization, specifically focusing on title case. It's a simple yet important aspect of writing that ensures your work looks professional and well organized. So, let's get started.
What is title case?
Title case, also known as headline style or capital case, refers to the practice of capitalizing the first letter of each major word in a title, heading, or subtitle. It's widely used in many English contexts, including book titles, article headlines, and titles of works in academic writing. It's worth noting that, in title case, prepositions, conjunctions, and articles are usually left in lowercase unless they start the title. An example of title case could be The Great Gatsby or War and Peace.
How to use title case?
The use of title case might seem straightforward at first glance, but it can get tricky when dealing with different types of words and styles. Let's break it down. 1. Capitalization of major words. In title case, always capitalize the first and last word, regardless of what they are. In between, verbs, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs should also be capitalized. For example, the cat chases its tail. 2. Lowercase for minor words. As a general rule, articles, a, n, the, conjunctions, and, but, for, and prepositions, in, on, at, should be in lowercase, unless they're the first or last word of the title. For example, the lion, the witch, and the wardrobe. 3. Hyphenated and compound words. For hyphenated or compound words, always capitalize the first element. If the second element is a word that would be capitalized in a title, like a proper noun, capitalize that too. For example, self-reflection or post-Christmas sales. Please remember that these rules may vary slightly depending on the specific style guide you are following, such as MLA, APA, or Chicago Manual of Style.
Why is title case important?
Applying title case correctly helps establish the overall professionalism and readability of your written work. It helps distinguish titles or headings from the rest of the text, making it easier for your readers to navigate your work. Also, certain academic and publishing standards require proper use of title case. Therefore, mastering title case is a useful skill for anyone involved in writing. And that's a wrap on title case. We hope this video has shed light on what title case is, how to use it correctly, and its significance in your writing. Remember, like all things in English language, practice makes perfect. So, don't be afraid to dive into your next writing project and start applying these title case rules. Happy writing, everyone!